This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful jewelry Christmas tree. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a cone-shaped base, which can be foam, wire, or cardboard, typically ranging from 12 to 18 inches tall. Next, collect an array of old jewelry. Think earrings, brooches, necklaces, and loose beads. Don't forget a strong adhesive, like a hot glue gun or jewelry glue, to secure everything in place. Now, let's prepare our base. If you're using a foam cone, a quick coat of green or gold paint can provide a lovely backdrop, especially if there are small gaps between your jewelry pieces. For a wire frame, wrapping it tightly with a festive ribbon or fabric, perhaps 1.5 inches wide, will give you a more substantial surface to work with. This step ensures your tree has a polished and complete look. Time for the fun part, attaching your jewelry. Start at the bottom of your cone, securing the larger, heavier pieces first. This provides a stable foundation and helps balance the tree. As you move upwards, fill in any gaps with smaller, more delicate items like individual beads or earring components. Overlap the pieces slightly to create a lush, full effect, aiming for complete coverage of your base. Use your adhesive sparingly but firmly. To complete your stunning jewelry Christmas tree, let's add some finishing touches. A beautiful star, a prominent brooch, or a festive bow makes an ideal topper, typically 3 to 4 inches in size. Carefully inspect your entire tree for any loose pieces and resecure them with a dab of glue. For an extra magical sparkle, consider weaving a string of small, battery-operated fairy lights, perhaps 20 to 30 lights, throughout your creation. Enjoy your unique masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.